Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about cleaning. Yes, the unwanted topic. But as you know, if you are not on the top of your chores, it will get only worse. So what I've got here, I've got some vinegar. As we know, vinegar is really great for bathroom and kitchen, for all cleaning tasks. And the downside is it is really smelly. I don't have to tell you how badly vinegar can smell. And what have we got here? I actually came back from my bike ride and I saw some fallen pine branches, so I picked them. So I've got actually pine needles in one of the jar on the left, and then I had some tangerines at home, so you can use the peels, and you can really use whatever smells good to you. So you can think of lemon peels or grapefruit peels, oranges, something which really makes you happy. And I really love the smell of pine, and as you know, it's really added to cleaning products as well. It smells just so fresh. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna let it infuse for a couple of days and strain it back, and then my cleaning will be phenomenal. And let me know in the comments below your favorite smelling combination. And also let me know if you shake your ass when you're cleaning. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye until next time.